Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the store name and URL on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up the Shopify dashboard and then navigate to the settings on the bottom left. First of all, to change the actual name of our store, simply head over to General right here. And under the store details, you can then edit your store name. So I'm just going to change this How to Shopify. You can also change your store email. I'm then going to save this. And to now actually change the URL, we will have to head over the Domains tab on the left. You can actually change your myshopify.com domain right here. You can only do this once, but if you would want to actually change this, just click on Change right here. However, I wouldn't recommend you to use this domain as this is highly unprofessional. Rather, make sure to connect a professional domain from a provider like Hostinger. So that's basically how you can change the store name and URL on Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.